Hey, Tej here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for cake. I'll cover wave analysis with the Elliott Wave Theory and provide multiple sunrise price may take and explain why I prefer one count over another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities. So starting here on higher time frame first, to check out the overall structure, this is the main idea of having this as a primary one. Now, we are still not sure what this week is about because this is just the launch of this here on Binance. And since then we had a massive pop to the upside on logarithmic scale. On arithmetic scale, of course, it just looks like this. So yeah, consider this or don't consider this as the basically start. But to me, this whole thing here is going to be the wave one. We do have that divergence between the third and fifth. If we are looking at a bit different structure here, zooming in, we can see that this is the third, fourth and fifth. It looks pretty okay as is. We could be moving this third to here, but again, we are getting that divergence here as well. So yeah, not quite the best looking for wave 5 here, but is doable, I guess. Since this top was placed, we have two different structure ideas for here. The first one is this one, in which we have this as an ABC. Now this looks way better, I feel like, in arithmetic scale. It has better proportions, saying that we have this as an A, B and then C, looking log just for the wave structures inside. In here, again, A, B and C. This would end the count here at around June 20th or June 19th lows, having this as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Doesn't have the perfect look, don't have the divergence here between the third and fifth. We do have the divergence between these lows though, so overall it is looking okay-ish. Definitely not the best look. To me, I don't think this whole structure is done here, and that's why I have the other count saying that we have the W, X and Y here. Now this definitely does not work on arithmetic scale, however, if you're looking at this, saying that we have W, X, Y here into W and then the 3 waves into X. X is so small that it's negligible here. In here, it is better looking, however, we don't get to the 38.2, which we hold as a minimum generally. So there are issues with this count as well, unfortunately. However, I still like this. We have the 1-to-1 extension here on wave Y, and then this next structure after X is placed in here, we have this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we do have that divergence between these two lows. Let's see here. On 8 hour, for example, we do have that. So that's why I do like this. On the lower time frames, I would be thinking that this is just the A wave again, because we are still looking for a 3-way structure after the X is placed. So we're looking for this wave Y. This would be the A wave, looking for a 3-way structure back to wave B and then C. It is possible that B wave was already back here where this X is, and we would have this as an ABC for that wave B, like this. At that point, again, we have gone through the minimum retracement of 0.382 for this move. So it is possible that we are going to be pivoting lower here for this C wave already. However, on Bitcoin, I'm still more confident to the upside, as probably many are. And here I would still think that this was just the 3 waves up. It is pretty good looking here to say that we have this as an ABC instead of a 1, 2, 3, 4. Although the impulse wave structure is not yet invalidated by any means, as we have not had this low overlapping with this high here. So this would be the third in that case. However, again, 1.382 does not fit too much into the impulse wave structure idea, so that's why I'm labeling this as an ABC. The W, again, because on Bitcoin we are still looking for one more low here. If we're going to lower time frames, I'm thinking this as a impulse wave structure downwards as a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and this would be only the wave A. This is fitting right into the idea we have on Bitcoin as well, in which we would be looking for that B wave soon after we have created another low here, created that divergence in RSI while price is doing this. So that would make complete sense to me, looking for that B wave and then C wave downwards. To me, I don't think this is possibility, or this doesn't have a possibility of linking back to this structure on the before, because it is going to go beyond the 1.618 extension of this first leg as a retracement. So that's why I don't think it is part of that. So most likely is going to be something like this. Now, depending on how high the wave B here goes, then only then we can project the wave C targets here. The wave X retracements we have here already in place, and these are general targets again, 0.5 and 0.618, but again, generally we are still looking for one more low for this A wave, so that is most likely going to go back to the 0.5 or around that area. So yeah, then B, and then even golden pocket or the 786 definitely could be taking out these lows, grab the liquidity down here, get some wick going on, and then get back up higher. If we are going to go beyond the 90% retracement here, if we are doing that 0.9, then we can turn this whole structure into an A, B, and then C wave. If we are not getting this far with the X wave or this retracement down here, then we are going to be calling this a W, X, and Y. So that is going to be just giving us the idea of whether we are going to have a 3-wave structure here for the WXY, or the 5-wave structure from here as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for that C wave. So that's the only difference between those two. Again, projecting the higher time frame count will be done after we get these pivots out and done. But I feel like that is pretty much everything I wanted to share today. I'm still looking for one more low here, then pump, and then dump again, and then again higher. But yeah, we'll see how it turns out. If you made it this far into the video, I would appreciate the likes. Link to my free Discord server in the description below. And for now, I thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.